Alright, just came up to the boat launch. Checked it last night and it was good. Let's see what we're working with here. Skim ice, I think we're able to break it, but we have to try and make a little hole, I guess. I think we might be able to work with it. We'll see. It is gonna be fun. Time to break some ice. There we go, we got through it. Let's get to the spot. Alrighty, home sweet home. We're gonna get decoys out and the blind set up quick. Whew. What's going on, y'all? We're back with another duck hunting video. It is rough out this morning. Luckily I got a bunch of layers and I actually brought out the old buddy heater this morning. So we're all right and we're blinded in pretty good, so we got a little windbreak, but 15 to 20 degrees. I'm sure with the wind it's like single digits. Winds are 15 to 20, I want to say. 15 mile an hour and then 20 mile an hour gusts or something like that. But yeah, I kicked up a bunch of geese on the way in. So hopefully that means that they like this spot. They were chilling on a little ice corner or an ice ledge where some ice is frozen over, and along with some open water. I ended up breaking a bunch of ice open in front of me. Winds at my back. I got a dozen mallard floaters and a dozen teal just all really grouped together. It should be a good one. I'm really hoping that it's paying off. And I'm guessing my face is a little red. Perfect nasty conditions for a good duck hunt. Hopefully we can get some greenheads in. We got about a 15-20 minute wait until shooting light, and then I'll probably wait a little bit so that it gets light out enough for the cameras. Of course I dropped my tripod and break that on the way out, so roll with the punches. Here we go, see what we can do. Alright, we got some ducks over here that landed. I'm gonna wait until it gets a little bit lighter so that I can hopefully just pop greenheads. We got some to our left here too. Thinking the one on the left is a greenhead. That's the one I'm gonna be going for. I'm just gonna jump out here and flush them out. Oh my goodness. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright, I could have shot a bunch more, but I got my Millardo down. He's right about there. Right about there. And he's just chilling on that ice line, so he's holding tight, so I'm just gonna hold out before walking out there. Two teal, and I'm just gonna hold off on it. Not sure if you can see me, but wild. This is a fun hunt. I'm staying somewhat warm. Got that heater banging. This big group of ducks out here are on their way over, so I'll let them kind of swim over, and if they get close I'll try and pick out another greener. Working on another greenhead limit today. I got a couple mergansers here, so I might see how pretty the drakes are. Big old greenhead just landed in the spread, yo. I don't know if he sees me or what. Got that one. Okay, here comes a bunch more. Oh my goodness. What are they doing? They're just getting up and getting right back down. Oh my goodness. Alright, I better go get my greenies. Let's freaking go. Maybe you can see it, but there are about, probably 50 at least, but they're all grouped together and they're like 200 yards out, but those are all ducks. I'm gonna get my green heads, man. Let's go. Mr. Greenie number 1, double curl. Greenie number 2, get him up on the ice a little bit. Oh, just about fell into the ice. Greenie number 2, that's a nice big bird. Let's go, man. Nice big bird. Gloves are getting wet. That baby's a double curl, no bands. Let's go, dude. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. There they are. 2 nice big old greenies. Yes, sir. I did notice that this is really open when I was out on the decoys, but I mean, that dude landed right there, so. Whoo! Get the old hands warmed up a little bit. What are they doing over there? Come on. Son of a... You... Susie looking... Son of a... God damn it! Not good. Should have been another mallard. Greenie too. That thing landed perfect right in the spread. As soon as he hit that wind, he just took off. Oh, dang, son. Helio. Well, I missed my first shot and then my gun jammed. I don't know why it's been jamming. Sucks. Just a little Telio, but would have been nice to add to the bag. All right, 20 minutes until closing time. Not much flying, which is weird with the weather. Thought I'd see more, but not too terribly upset with the outcome because I got my 2 green heads and I should have another greenie and another hen mallard and then a teal for sure. That were that I just screwed up on the shot. So what can you do? See what can happen here in 20 minutes. Got the old shovelers, water swatting. Alrighty, just in the garage. Thawing out the old boat a little bit. Gonna clean up these birds. Look at the size of that thing. Mallard, spoonbill. Try cleaning up the spoonies first. All right, we got duck poppers going from that last hunt. We're gonna take them in a little bit, see how the fam likes them. It is Thanksgiving today. Had a little extra finger food.
Juicy.
Oh, they're good, I thought. They're gone.
They're a little overcooked?
No, I don't think so. Yeah.
Oh, you must have got a spicy one.
Yeah. This one I just had was spicy.
My last was spicy, but I'd rather have them the spicier ones than the regular ones.
So that's good.
Everything's so good.
Alrighty, just realized that I didn't really close it out after the Thanksgiving meal. Just kind of editing right now. Anyways, that is the last waterfowl hunt of the season for me. Kind of bittersweet. It went fast for me because it seemed like those good hunts were kind of picking up at the end of the season there. As, you know, a lot of hunters would say that it does for waterfowl. It picks up at the end when conditions are bad. Going to be focusing on ice fishing now, as well as some winter camping maybe, some winter trout fishing, anything really outside that I can get into on those nice days. So thanks y'all for watching. We'll see you guys next time.